Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two amazing kitchen must-haves, the Instant Pot Vortex and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. If you're new here, make sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons like this one. Both the Instant Pot Vortex and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offer a lot of functionality, with the Instant Pot Vortex having 4-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, broil, roast, and reheat. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers 6-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. So, if you're looking for more options, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer might be the better choice for you. Both products use EvenCrisp technology, which allows for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers a ClearCook window and internal light, making it easier to monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. Additionally, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer has a progress bar and messages to tell you when to add or turn food. So, if you like to keep an eye on your food while it's cooking, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer might be for you. The Instant Pot Vortex comes in at $59, while the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is priced at $159. Therefore, if price is a concern for you, the Instant Pot Vortex is the more affordable option. The Instant Pot Vortex is perfect for 1-2 servings, making it a great option for individuals or couples. Meanwhile, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer can serve 4-6 people, making it a better option for families or larger households. Both products offer access to an app where you can find new recipes and cook up some new favorites. So, no matter which product you choose, you'll have access to a ton of inspiration to help you get cooking. That's it for our comparison of the Instant Pot Vortex and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. We hope this helped you decide which product is the right fit for your needs. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.